Welcome to Advanced Adapters. Today we're going to show you the new JT Atlas transfer case. It'll fit all your V6 and 4-cylinder and diesel JT Jeeps out there. We had to do a little bit of new redesign on shifters for everything to work. This happens to be a manual transmission shifter console. Everything goes in way easier than what it has in the past. This all is injected molded, bolts directly back into the floor where the original shifter was. Simple bolt on, cable slide in. Moving down to our cable connections for anybody that's installed cable shifters on an Atlas. No more adjustment down here. This goes together, a pin slides through, cotter pin on the bottom, and you are done. This will shave probably 45 minutes off our old style shifters with the new design. No adjustments, again, no mistakes when we're putting it together. It makes a big difference there. Going through shift demonstration, we have our front axle, high, neutral, low, our rear axle, high, neutral, low. So your normal driving would be rear wheel drive, engaged, high range. When you want 4-wheel drive, the front axle goes forward to 4-wheel drive. Now we're in 4-wheel drive, high range. Everything comes through. We want to go to low range, we go put the front back into neutral. Then we can shift the rear to low range. Now you have your rear wheel drive low range. You can see the input shaft's turning quite a bit faster than the output shaft. That's your gear reduction. The power's coming in here, going across, coming back for your low range. Again, we're just in 2-wheel drive. We engage the front axle to low range, both sticks back. Now your traditional 4 low. You can see as everything turns, it goes through. And then with an Atlas, you always get the ability to do front dig, which would be rear axle to neutral. And then you have just your front wheel drive only to do your front dig, or front wheel drive only, get yourself out of a jam. Then we can go back to neutral where nothing turns, and one more click and we're back to high range going down the road. We have an actual console and stuff sitting over here, and we'll cut for a moment and go over here and take a look at the console and how it looks in the vehicle. And here we are. This is an actual JL console. It'd be your automatic transmission shifter. For guys that are wondering what this would look like installed, does it look inexpensive or cheesy? No, these are your 2 twin sticks we just went over on the display. You'd have your high range, everything comes down the boot, your low range if you had them both in low. This is integrated in. It's a nice clean look when you're put in. Looks nice and performs well, and trying to keep up with the age and making stuff look like it's supposed to.